Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial on how to make a Discord bot. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you about config files and embed messages. So if you remember in the first video, we learned that we used our bot token, which is this, to log into our bot and get it online. This token should never be shared with anyone because if you do, then others could hack your bot and raid all the servers that your bot is in. If anyone somehow manages to get your bot token, then you should immediately go to the Discord developer page, which you can just Google and type discord.com/developers. Then go to your application, go to the bot page and click on regenerate token. Yes, do it. Then copy the new token and then paste that in your login again. Now suppose you're working in a group or you share your code with someone. If you share your entire main.js file as it is, then they will gain access to your bot token. To prevent this, you should make a separate config.json file like this, son. In this file, you can add any sensitive data such as your bot token, your bot prefix, and any other passwords if you use them. So to add information, you have to put it like this. So we'll be adding our token and our prefix. So you can do in quotes token, colon, and then again double quotes. You will just copy your token over there. And then comma, prefix, colon, and then our prefix is a slash. So yeah, then you can just save this and shut it. Now after setting up your config.json file, you'll need to import those variables into your main file. So you do const token comma prefix equals to require ./config.json. Then you can delete this, and in the client.login you can just type token like that. Now I would like to tell you about embed messages, or embeds in short. Embeds are basically just a fancy type of message. However, they look much better and are only available for bots, which means that regular users like you and me cannot send them. You can use embeds to replace the normal messages that your bot sends. So now let's code about to send an embed. For this tutorial, I'll be editing our hello command to send an embed saying hello instead of a simple message. So first let's just comment this out, we won't need that anymore. So we'll do const embed equals to new discord dot message embed like that, and then open a brackets. Now we need to set the different options that we can customize our embed with. So I'll be first setting a title. So you do set title and you can name that hello. Then set description. Hello there. Comma. This is a backtick. It's not a quote, so it's next to the one key. So yeah. Then you can do $ brackets and message.author. So you can use this to tag the person who has said hello. Then dot set color. So over here you have to put a hex code for the color you want, and we're just going to put blue FF. Then you can do dot set footer backtick again, replying to colon $open brackets message dot author dot username. Then outside the brackets you can do comma message dot author dot display avatar URL, and then open a brackets. Then the next thing we could do is set a timestamp. So this basically just marks the time at which the embed was sent. And these are all the ways that we are going to customize our embed. And now we just need to send this. So we can do message.channel.send embed. And yeah, now let's test this. So we're gonna get our bot online. Node space dot. We can type /hello. And so this is how our new embed will look. Now for more information about the options that the message embed function has, you can visit discord.js.org and then go to the documentation. You can just search embed, message embed, and you can see all the properties it has, and you can try all of these options on your own if you want. Okay, so that was it for this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.